Hi again, today I'm going to work with Freesias and I have this wonderful orange, pink and purple Freesias, and I'm going to do something with a piece of knitted trash bag frame. This is wonderful to use for flowers because of its plastic. To make this string a little bit more firm, I'm going to use some flexigrass through it. So the frame is done. I'm going to arch it now. To cut it, you have to arch it very carefully. So now, to be able to put flowers in there and to make sure that the flowers stay firm in there, I'm using a piece of underflooring. I'll just place it underneath the arch. Doesn't have to be very fixed or something. And now we'll start with the Freesias. They're so beautiful long and I have to cut them short. Have a look at the amazing color of the Freesia. The theme of this arrangement is freestyle Freesia. So we try to use Freesia in a different way. I would love to mention that Freesias are coming from Holland, the Freesias I've used. And the Freesias, they really last very long on the vase. I will fill it with water, and as a finishing touch, let me use some of the asparagus. I just want some little touches. So I'm looking for the most beautiful and long ones. All right, I kept this part empty because of the knitting. It took a lot of effort, so we want to show it. To finish it off, I used the funky pink wooden chips. They really do well. It's very well in the freestyle theme of the Freesia. So this is what I did. And I really hope that you're all going to make something really cool with Freesia.